Using the new ELF 40-001 edge mount solderless connector, optimized for connecting to high-speed differential PCB traces by allowing up to 30 degrees trace bend that maintain tightly coupled differential line. Its smaller design allows for more connector access. We will demonstrate the bandwidth performance by connecting a 50 GHz VNA and measuring 3 demonstration boards that have a straight 15 and 30 degree trace band. Notice the insertion and return loss plot maintains a 40 GHz bandwidth with up to a 30 degree bend in its signal trace.